Hey there, welcome to Tech2. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can change your Bigo Live ID. So, well, from the Bigo Live PC version or the website version, there is no way to change your user ID or your live ID. So, what you need to do is take out your phone, log into the Bigo Live account, and then tap on Me section, which is at the bottom of the screen, right? After that, just click on your profile or tap on your profile, then go to the top left corner of top right corner of your screen, and there should be a kind of a copy to clipboard kind of icon there. You need to click on it. So that's edit profile. Just scroll down until you reach the Bigo ID or user ID. Just tap on it and change as you like, and that's how you change your Bigo Live ID. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.